Now, the first batch of wrapper is ready. It's nice, thin, and soft. Okay, let's make some dumpling now. So that's the dumpling filling. I forgot to put some ginger powder, so I put a little bit of ginger powder and I mix them. The ginger can help to kill some of the smell from the pork. I don't know why, I even forgot it. Anyway, not a big deal. If you forgot something, you still can add them in before you wrap them. Take one piece of wrapper. Put a filling in the middle. So squeeze to seal in the middle. Then do this both sides. One. See that? How easy? Make sure it's very tight. Got some meat on my hand. You can adjust even after you. Okay, one. Let's do another one. In the middle. Squeeze is tight to seal. Then just see that? You can make a little bit adjustment. Make sure it's very well sealed. Otherwise, when you cook them, they'll be open. The meat will come out. Just like that. Okay, that's one way to make dumpling. I want to show also another way to wrap the dumpling. Make sure put some flour. You don't want too sticky. Then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's another type. See the difference? Looks like a hat. It really looks like the hat women wear in North America in 19th century when they moved from the east to west. Get some flour. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See this? So, which way you like the better? Also, the simplest way. Let me show the third way to do. Maybe too much. Is that easy enough? As long as you keep the dumpling filling inside and sealed well, I think it works. I call this ravioli way. How do you think? Please leave your comments down below. If you like my video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I like the first method most. It's quick and easy and can put a lot of filling inside. this style mostly in northern China. People use this style, and in South, they like use this style. Like when I grown up, that's how my mom make dumpling, like this.